left. So it's been a struggle all my life, let me say so. And I wasn't struggling for myself, I was struggling for my generation. And apparently, I still don't seem to be satisfied that my generation has done, the best. Yes, you have the largest population within the population of our country, but you are the most vulnerable of the population, youth and women. Of course, women are also part of youth because they are. I still continue to charge you to take more challenges in our electoral processes. My view is that you don't dare enough, in our electoral process. I think it requires both of us working together to make sure that objective is achieved. And the objective can only be achieved by the unity of the youth, the hard work and participation of the youth. Believe me, nothing more than that. For a brighter future for this country, because you are the future of this country, and you should not take it for granted. I assure you that as far as I'm concerned, I will continue to give you the necessary support, guidance, and and leadership so that you can succeed us. We're on our way out, no doubt about that. There are few of my contemporaries who are still in politics, but I'm still there. I'm still there because of you. Thank you.